Hello friends and welcome back. So I have some beauty products I want to share with you that have helped improve my skin's physical appearance. These are products you should be having if you're from 25 and above, if you want to improve your skin and look youthful as you age, most especially if you're from 25 and above. These are must-haves. Remember, we are all about improving, evolving to be the better version of ourselves, and your skin is one of the most important things you want to always look good. So very quickly, the first thing you want to achieve is having your moisturizers penetrate your skin so you get the benefits of that moisturizer. Most especially your anti-aging moisturizers. There are certain ingredients you want them to penetrate in your skin, like the collagen, elastin. You want those ingredients to penetrate in your skin, and trust me, this is the first tool, the first beauty tool I'll be introducing to you. I don't know if you already have these. This is so important because this helps your skin to absorb your moisturizer. So after applying your moisturizer or serum, you kind of use this to massage your skin with, most especially the skin on your face, underneath your eyes, your neck. Most often people use moisturizers and hardly really apply them well to get the benefits of that moisturizer, and they keep complaining, oh, this moisturizer is expensive for nothing, it doesn't do the job. You need tools like this to help you to help your skin absorb and you get the benefits of the moisturizers. Plus this roller massaging tool is very good because it improves blood flow. Like when you use it to massage your face with, your neck, it improves blood flow, boosts collagen production, and helps to tighten and firm your skin as well. This is a must-have. Like, helps you age and still look like you are in your early 20s, most especially your anti-aging moisturizers, which takes me to tip number 2. If you're from 25 and above, you need to be intentional about the moisturizer you use on your face. I always read ingredients in moisturizers before I buy. From 25 and above, you should be looking for collagen moisturizers that help firm the skin, vitamin C. Like, read the ingredients and get just moisturizers that will help boost collagen production and have your skin always look vibrant and youthful. I will leave some recommendations at my description if you want to get. This is the one I'm using currently, and I use it alongside this roller massaging tool. It helps this penetrate my skin and I see results. Like, both of these leave the skin on my face looking so plump and youthful. I have a couple of anti-aging face creams I will recommend at my description if you want to get and have your skin always looking so youthful. Or if you're where you cannot actually get that moisturizer, my goal is to guide you on the moisturizer to get that will help your skin always look plump. So when you're buying your moisturizer, read the ingredients, make sure you read. Don't just buy because the packaging looks beautiful and you just want it sitting on your vanity, and buy something that will help improve your skin. And the ingredients should be, most importantly, vitamin C, collagen, elastin, skin firming. Like, just make sure you read the ingredients and make sure that moisturizer has active ingredients like vitamin C that would help leave your skin always look so youthful. As well as make sure after using your moisturizer, you use this massaging tool to help your skin absorb so you get all the benefits into your skin. Now, the second beauty must-have that has changed my skin's appearance is my multivitamin for women. This has helped me a lot. We hardly eat to get all the nutrients we need daily. Most especially if you're someone who doesn't eat fruits, vegetables, you need to be having this because you are not having all those nutrients you need to improve your skin's physical appearance, boost your health as well. So this is my multi gummies. This is a multivitamin in gummy form, so it is fun to eat them 2 every day, and trust me, this has helped my skin improve because I get all the vitamins I need. Most especially on days I don't make my juices, my smoothies, because I have a health channel, Riza's Tips. I share different healthy recipes, juices, smoothies for utmost health. So these, I don't make those juices and smoothies. I don't joke with my multivitamin gummies. This is something very important. You need the nutrients, you need the vitamins and minerals to help you boost collagen production and have your skin always looking vibrant and plump. And it is written here, women multi gummies supports energy, immunity, metabolism, healthy skin's appearance. So this is something that has helped me. I had to share with you. You know, I share all my secrets with you. So if you're watching up to this point and you haven't liked the video, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the like button so YouTube can know my content is helpful and they get to share so other people can learn as well. As well as feel free to share with your family and friends. So this is the third must-have beauty product this is a health beauty product every woman should have, most especially if you're from 25 and above. Now, the fourth very important beauty product I'll be recommending if you are from 25 and above is an eye cream. If you have access to shea butter, you can actually use it to moisturize your under eyes with. But if you don't, make sure to go to your beauty store and get an eye cream for yourself. That is very important. Neglecting the under eyes is like telling your under eyes to age fast. Once you neglect your skin and you don't moisturize your skin, you notice your skin looks dry and unhealthy. Just imagine neglecting your under eyes. That is how you notice those fake fine lines and wrinkles. Your under eyes age so fast because you don't moisturize them to have them always looking plump and youthful. And if you're equally having dark circles, that is due to not moisturizing your under eyes. Once you neglect any part of your body, it doesn't look neat, it doesn't look bright, it looks dull, and most especially your under eyes that are so tender, the only thing you experience is those dark circles underneath your eyes. So this is something very important, an eye cream. And now the fifth beauty must have every woman from 25 and above should be having are your sunglasses. Like, this is very important. Sunglasses protect your eyes from UV rays damage. This is not only to elevate your look, but to protect your eyes from UV rays damage, most especially during the summer period, or you're somewhere with a lot of sunlight. You want to always have your sunshades on when you're getting out. If you're that woman who is so intentional about looking good, looking youthful as you age, this is a must-have to elevate your look. Most importantly, prevent sunlight from hitting your under eyes and UV rays from damaging the skin underneath your eyes. Like, I don't know how to reiterate this enough. I can't do without my sunglasses, and that alone has helped me. Those wrinkles you start having at age 40, I don't have even one because I take care of my face a lot. I use my eye cream underneath my eyes and still go ahead and put on my sunglasses, and there is no way sunlight destroys my under eyes, and my eyes always look so youthful. So I had to share with you, this is a must have. That is why they call it sunshades, to prevent that sunlight from hitting your eyes. And you know, so now this was supposed to be the first thing I had to share. This massaging facial wash, very important as well, most especially using it with your cleanser, your facial cleanser. This ensures your skin, the pores of your skin are deeply cleaned and all dead skin cells are out, revealing a much more smooth and youthful looking skin. This is a must have. This is what I use to wash my face with. So mild, gentle, and it equally helps to massage your face so there is blood flow and boosting collagen production for your skin to look so youthful. So this is a must have as well. So this is something to help you clean your face thoroughly, most especially your face because you expose it a lot, with the help of a good cleanser. And this is the cleanser I use for my face daily. It is a mild exfoliating cleanser. So this is from CeraVe. It is CeraVe Renewing Cleanser. Gently cleanses and exfoliates while softening and smoothing the skin. Non-drying, non-irritating, with ceramide and salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is something beauty gurus rely on to make sure you have that vibrant and beautiful looking skin. Like, this cleanser has everything you need to clean your skin properly with and remove all impurities, dead skin, because it mildly exfoliates as well. So this acts as a mild exfoliator and a cleanser, soft enough for daily use, and leaves your skin looking so clean, beautiful, smooth, and like, this is a must have. If you're from 25 and above, get a cleanser. You don't just rely on your regular bar soap to have your skin looking good. You need a cleanser like this, and trust me, this is so not expensive. It is less than $10 for this big bottle. You get to use it for like 8 months to a year. Just for your face, you can use it for 1 year. So it is not expensive, very affordable, and trust me, this is one of the best in the market. Now, the 7 must-have, before I share with you some bonus important tips, is your toner, and this is rose water. Like, this is so important to add in your skincare. This is a beauty product you want to get if you're 25 and above. This is something I use on my face after I have my shower. This is the first thing I use on my face after having my shower. So my face is kind of 20% wet before I apply my moisturizer on my face. This helps a lot with hydration, and after applying my moisturizer and other skincare products, I still use this to spray my face with, so my skin stays hydrated and plump. Because the secret to having your skin always looking youthful, most especially if you're from 25 and above, is hydration. You want your skin hydrated, you want your face always to look moisturized, and this leaves that moisture, that hydration you need. Just this rose water is something every woman from 25 and above. I don't use any other toner, most especially alcoholic toners, on my face because they tend to be drying, and what you need is that moisture, and this moisturizes the skin. It leaves that moisture, that hydration we all need. Yeah, so this is a must-have that has changed my life. Like, rose water is a must-have. This leaves your skin looking so youthful. Now, bonus tip. Let's assume you do not have access to any of the things I just shared with you. At least you have access to water. This is the cheapest anti-aging product in your house. Water, regular fresh water. Hydrating your skin from the inside is the goal to always having that fresh, plump, vibrant looking skin. I don't joke with my water. I drink at least or more than 2 liters of water a day. Hydration is key to beautiful, healthy skin. Hydrating freshens up your skin from the inside, cleanses your skin for you, flushes your skin from the inside, and like, this is the cheapest cleanse to enable your skin look so beautiful. Plus, eating fruits and vegetables. I try my best to drink a juice, a smoothie. If you follow me, my channel Riza's Tips, my health channel, I share a lot of healthy recipes. That is me making sure I have the nutrients I need, and equally stay away from anything that will stress you, because stressing ages the skin so fast. So if you notice anything stressing you, disturbing your peace, just go ahead and stay away from whatever, and as well as having that at least 6 hours sleep a day. Like, you notice when you don't sleep well, the next day your face looks so tired and dry, looking so aged. That is telling you beauty sleep is very important. Sleep is a must-have beauty product for every woman from 25 and above to maintain your skin to always look so youthful and vibrant. So I don't know if I forgot something. Please go ahead to share your own tips with me at the comments. Remember, we are all here to learn, improve, be the better version of ourselves. No matter the little steps, we get there and be great. Equally, do not forget to like this video so YouTube know my content is helpful, and share with other people. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so, so we can be friends for life. Yeah, so thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.